Today I'm gonna start making and assembling a windmill made out of 48 volt 500 watt motor from an electric scooter. This series, and it says here 48 volts 500 watts. I know the windings are okay, and I went to the scrapyard and got some pieces that I think will be good for my project. Some cable, a part from a car. The wheel comes here, goes here. I don't know how it's called, and it has a bearing, a really strong one. And I think I can convince it somehow to loosen up. I will try to convince it with this, and this triangle shaped metal thing, in which I will try to fix the wheel into. Okay, let me put the camera on the stand on the tripod and we'll talk some more. I will try to fix the motor here, and the blade will come from here. 1 meter long blades. I'll get rid of this. This is the brake system on the scooter, and then we shall see what's next. But either way, it's gonna be like this because the cables are going that way, so it's gonna stand like this. That was easy. I'll have to use a spacer or something here. Yeah, I'll take the spacer from this side. If I can find the right bearing. Oh, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I could use the middle of this bearing, or I could use the whole bearing, but I have another one that's bad. This is a good one, and I will use the other one. Yeah, because this is supposed to be fixed. The outside should rotate. Okay then. And then I shall need to make a bracket so that I can mount this to the triangle-shaped L-shaped metal. So I can put it like this. Somehow like this. And I was thinking that I can make a hole for this stud here, and then I'd like to leave this overnight soaking. that doesn't work, it must be because the seal is really sealing. So I'll take the seal off from this side because water can't get in from underneath anyway. And we'll try again. I need almost all the grease from inside the bearing to come out, or I need it to be thinner. Has to be even easier. This will be the pivoting point of the whole assembly, so it should pivot really easy. When the wind is blowing, it will have to pivot. When the wind changes direction, this will have to make that transition easy. So I'll keep working on making this spin easier. It started to work, but still not enough. It might just work. Spacing by adding 6203 RS bearing and this little spacer, which has about 1 centimeter in length. Then another spacer that keeps the axle from spinning. It will keep the axle from spinning once it's bolted to the frame. And another little spacer and the nut. But I'm looking to reinforce the two-sided metal with either one more piece or some of this square steel. And I think this is the way to go. I think this is the best chance. I'll make a hole in it so the axle can go through.
Yeah. Let's find the right tools now. This is too wide, so I'll use like this. Yes. This drill bit, step drill just came from China, of course. Let's see if this does work. Runs, it cuts very well. Very well. Let's make a bridge that can sustain our tubing. Have to tighten up the nut. Well, this isn't final anyway. It's just to see if everything fits snugly together. I hate this wrench. After I screw in everything and fix everything on the frame, I'll have to dismantle everything and do some little welding on the side. Add some strengthening force here. I think I'll put some L-shaped bar here. Weld it here and on the seam here. We'll see. But this came out pretty sturdy, pretty okay. That's quite okay. The balance point is somewhere around here. So in the outer part, outside the wheel base. It's not in the middle. It's somewhere around here. I'll have to add some weight in the back towards the tail, the guiding tail, so it would balance even. I'd like the balance point to be around here somewhere. Perfect. Okay.